my bag with me PTT Vegas Concert Edition. Amazon Kitchen Must-Haves. You didn't know you needed. Mini gold spoons. Perfect for coffee or tea. So cute. Cute snack clips. Super strong and sturdy. I love them. Reusable straws. Put in your purse for Starbucks run.
You need more space? Voila, right into the wall. Wow.
Making our own welcome mat. Rug guns are fun. Picasso.
An awesome Amazon mom hack for your house. These little wireless doorbells are so clever and super handy, especially if you're sick of yelling your kids' names to get them to come downstairs, or you just need to let them know that they're needed. You can just stick them on the side of your fridge or inside of a cabinet, just wherever is most convenient for you. And then the little receiver just plugs directly into the wall in the room, and it has 52 different melodies or chimes that you can choose from and 5 different volume levels. They also have an 1,000-foot range, so you can use them on a pretty large space, but I just think this is so smart and convenient and will save your vocal cords.
Amazon gadgets you need. If you're sick of messy cords in your kitchen, you're definitely going to want this. These are cord wrappers, and they're designed to fit on the back of most of your kitchen appliances to keep your cords tangle-free and neat. Simply place it on the back of your appliance, giving it 5 to 10 minutes to set, and then simply wrap the cord around it. It makes your counter look so much neater, and you're not stuck constantly stuffing wires behind your appliances. And they also come in black too. Link in bio to shop.
Amazon travel favorites. Protect your suitcase while traveling with this luggage cover. They come in various color options, making your luggage easy to find and baggage claim, and are available in 4 different sizes. This 2-in-1 micro plush pillow also turns into a 65-inch blanket that easily fits over or clips onto your carry-on. And these TSA approved travel jars come in a pack of 4 for under $10 and hold onto your serums, lotions, and beauty products. They have a spill-proof cap and they take seconds to clean. Link in bio to shop.